here's how you can turn your videos looking like this into, and this is the result. Now guys, if you want to see how this turns out and how to set up a kind of setup like this, please watch the whole video. And if you want the more budget option, I'll leave a video down in the description. And yes guys, let's get back to the video. So the first step is getting an app for your device. So I'm using the ProShot on my Android device, and if you have an Apple device, you can use the Blackmagic app if you have an Apple device or a newer phone that supports the Blackmagic app. And I recommend, if you have no budget for any paid apps, I recommend Filmmaking Pro. It's free, and the premium version is just a little bit better, but the free version is already good enough. So I recommend the Filmmaking app. Now once you get an app, you can dial in the settings that you have right now. So I'm gonna be dialing my settings as of right now. So I have dialed in my setting and it looks very dark. And the second most important thing to make a video looking like a pro setup is lighting. So let me turn on before I waste any more time. And as you can see, just from a softbox, I could just have a better high quality video looking like this. And also, that's the second step to having a pro quality setup. Having a 6-year-old camera phone and having a great light makes a huge difference. And I have right now is a softbox that costs $20 in the Philippines, and you can also get a smaller softbox, but I have a 90 centimeters softbox because I'm very serious in making this content, guys. Now the second step is having great lighting. Now the third step is also about lighting. It's about background light. So I'm gonna be turning on 3 of my background lights. It already looks cinematic enough, and let me add emotion to my background. So I'm gonna be turning on this and my RGB mini light, and finally this lamp, which you cannot see, but here we go. Let me place that. So this is my background light, guys, and it makes a huge difference on the emotion of the video. If this is turned off, it's actually looks more cinematic, but I recommend having a background light so that you can stand off in the camera. So guys, thank you guys for watching. I already made a video about this and I'll leave it in the description. So if you guys want a more budget option, you can go click here, guys, if you want more budget in your setup, and please click here to subscribe for more videos like this, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.